Being deaf, the only problem that he has is he can't really hear the whistle. He's won 5 international medals, and a lot of able-bodied wrestlers also cannot really boast of 5 international medals. Looking at the issue, looking at Virender's life, his excitement to say his life, then we wanted to go on and make a film about him, a biopic documentary on India's most successful deaf athlete ever. Our vision with this film and the whole movement around it, which we've called the Mission Rio 16, is to give disabled athletes equal access and equal opportunity. And Mission Rio 16 in Virender's life, or in our film's context, means that we want to say Virender and other disabled athletes who are competent enough at the Rio Olympics 2016 by giving them equal access and equal opportunities, so that disabled athletes also get the same kind of access that they so deserve. He came back from the Deaf Olympics gold in August this year, and he showed his medal, and he says that he's been to 5 international competitions and he's won 5 international medals, and a lot of able-bodied wrestlers also cannot really boast of 5 international medals. Even though he's done all that, he thinks that not that he thinks that he doesn't really have anything to show for it. He hasn't really gotten the kind of cash rewards that he deserved, and I think that's the core of the problem that he thinks is with his life, because he thinks that after having done all that, after having wrestled for 20 years, he's given his life to wrestling, and having won all of that, he thinks that he should have deserved far more than what he has gotten, and that able-bodied wrestlers and other disabled athletes are not treated at par. He says that they are treated non-equally, and that's what goes to the heart of the problem. And about the film, he says that before the film, nobody knew about him. There were no news pieces on him. There was only one news article on him, national news article on him, which talked about him. But he says that after the film, he's gotten a lot of love and support and respect from a lot of quarters, and a lot of deaf people and otherwise have reached out to him, told him that he's an inspiration to them. And that's really been a positive for him. But he thinks that if this one thing could really come out, if this thing about him, because he's at the fag end of his career, let's accept that you have to have money in order to sustain your life. So therefore he thinks that if he can get the kind of cash rewards that he so deserves for having won all these medals for the country, I think that will really put his heart at ease and will help him going forward with his life.
I'm really grateful and thankful to the India Inclusion Summit. They've given a cash reward, ₹1 lakh, to Virender Singh. This is the kind of recognition that Virender Singh wanted.
People have come out in support of Virender. There have been a lot of news reports on Virender. People have started talking about his story. His coaches have taken notice. The authorities in the Wrestling Federation of India and the Indian Olympic Association have had to take notice. Things are looking better, but still there is a long way to go.
For now, it's Gunga Pahalwan and Virender Singh and his story out to people, know about the film, know about the story, and then make some sort of a change that you could and we could through this film.